This video will introduce MultiRep, a program designed to accelerate a kind of learning called perceptual learning. MultiRep actually changes the way students see linear graphs, equations, and word problems, so they can easily pick up relevant information and solve problems more quickly and accurately. Dr. Philip Kelman, UCLA professor and founder of Insight Learning Technology, can say a little more about it.
Here, the focus is on a really crucial skill in mathematics. It's very important to be able to pick up structure from different mathematical representations and to map structure across representations. So MultiRep Insight focuses on linear functions, making it perfect in the algebra curriculum, some of pre-algebra, and beyond. Published results show that MultiRep Insight does wonders at improving students' structural intuitions and lets them do things they couldn't do before, such as read a word problem and generate a correct equation or a correct graph. Here's how it works. The students are not asked to solve an equation, but they're asked which of several equations that appear below corresponds to the graph. A linear function can be shown graphically or as an equation. Student picks the correct answer and is given feedback on speed and accuracy. In this problem, a word problem is given, and we sometimes forget word problems have structure, just as equations do, just as graphs do. So we're being asked to extract structure, the key to understanding word problems, and indicate which of the equations below represents the mathematical relationship given in the word problem. So when the student chooses an incorrect answer, the correct choice is shown to them and features of the problem are highlighted. For example, in linear functions, the slope is given in an equation in certain ways, and it's given in a graph in certain ways. So by color coding, we can map the structure and help the student to see the correspondence. By seeing these kinds of examples and being forced to make classification responses, perceptual learning will take hold. One of the most important elements of perceptual learning technology, which differs from the memorization of any kinds of items, is that the instances in perceptual learning almost never repeat. We want to develop the students' abilities to see structure in graphs and structure in equations and derive structure from new word problems. And this means we want abilities that will apply to new problems that they've never seen before. That requires a changing set of problems that revolve around the same underlying structures. And that's where the power of perceptual learning comes in, both to give the variation of variables that aren't crucial to the mathematics being learned, and to highlight the structures that recurrently carry the information. This is how people get good at mathematics.
To access MultiRep, log into your account from our website, insightlt.com. If you've purchased MultiRep, it will appear on your dashboard and you simply click the Launch button. The program will pick up right where you left off or show you instructions if it's your first time. Answer each question as it comes up. If you get a problem wrong, you'll have a chance to pick another answer. And if you get it completely wrong, you'll be shown what the correct answer was. Problems will also time out if you take too long. Throughout the program, you will be given block feedback. Your performance over the last 10 to 12 problems is averaged into blocks, and you can compare your performance across previous blocks. Teachers and students can track progress using detailed assessments and metrics. Once you can answer a certain category of problems both quickly and accurately, you'll reach a new mastery level. Mastered problems show up less frequently. Once you've achieved all the mastery levels, you've completed MultiRep.